Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Have you been looking for a number to maybe verbally verify, create a WhatsApp account, Twitter, Facebook and the rest? So this is actually the fastest way to get a number at a very cheap rate. So if you can see, I actually opened this number and I have used it to create a cash app, and it's working, like it's completely working. I'm not going to waste your time on this video. I don't want it to be very long, but if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. I would really appreciate if you do so. So all you need to do is get the app, create an account, then you can use it right away to do whatever you want. So you can see the number I'm actually using, and you can see the message I received here. I received the code from Cash App when I was trying to set up a Cash App account on the 26th of July 2024. So it's actually working. It's not a scam or anything. Something you can really do by yourself. So without not wasting time, all you need to do first of all is to go to Play Store. When you go to Play Store, and you search for this app. Search for this app called Do Number. I'm not seeing the app here. Let me see. Go back. Do phone number. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So this is it. So you're gonna click the phone number and you install it. As soon as you install it, all you need to do is to create an account.
Attention, single men. There is a social.
So actually, there's a free advert on it. So when you come here, you create an account. They ask you to create an account. Then they ask you to pick a number. Then you create the account. I created this account. To create the account, actually, it's just 1,000 plus to create an account. To create this account, and that's it for completely 1 month. Yeah, so for completely 1 month, as soon as you're done with that, then you're good to go. You have the number, you can use it to do whatever you want. And even though you don't want to renew the subscription, you can still continue to use the number. Just that you can't text. You can see I have 0 credit now. I have 0 credit. You have enough credit to receive text or call. But when you create it, you're gonna have a credit here. You can use the number. So you can see such validity. So date, I can just copy the number and do whatever I want, and I can decide to get a new number. So this is the process. I can decide to finally get a Canadian number, then I'll pick the number I want, then confirm. Click on confirm. You can see this is the premium. I don't need the premium. I'll go back there. This is the basic. So you're paying just 1,000 in Nigeria currency. You're paying just 1,333 naira for just a week. Then you are paying 2,670. Let's just say 3,000 naira. You're paying approximately 3,000 naira for a month. You get to use this number. It's very cheap and you can use it to do whatever you want. So please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any question, you're confused, you need a clarification, you need extra guidance, please don't forget to leave a comment to the comment section below. I'm going to leave a link to this video on the description of this video. So thanks, bye for now.